she had never taken organic synthesis before. She was in a class, and the chemical that the professor assigned to her was an explosive chemical. She had never done a fractional distillation, and so in one of the early experiments in September that year, when she was doing this improperly, the chemical exploded and the student lost one eye. There is no reason on this God's green earth why that young lady should have been synthesizing a compound that's explosive. You can learn how to do organic synthesis, and you can learn how to do fractional vacuum distillations without having to use explosive compounds. The settlement in this case was $2 million. Misfeasance. Misfeasance is the improper performance of a lawful act. How about improper first aid? At a university in Connecticut, an undergraduate reaches up on the shelf to get a bottle of nitric acid. As he pulls it towards himself, it hits the lip on the shelf. The bottle pitches towards him, the penny head stopper comes out, and he ends up pouring concentrated nitric all over himself. The professor's right there, takes the student, pulls him right under oh yeah, there it is, there's the shower, pulls the shower, and the student is being soaked. But it wasn't until the lab manager came in and looked at the student in the shower and realized that the student had been wearing a long sleeve shirt and had rolled up his sleeves to make cuffs, and the shirt was still on. Now, the acid had gone into the cuff and the water wasn't there. It couldn't reach it, so the injuries are worse than they would have been if the student had taken off his shirt or somebody had helped him out of his shirt. That was a lawsuit within a week.